Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. As I told you in my previous video, I am going to make new video on the constraint in SwiftUI. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can adjust the constraint into the complete video tutorial. Okay, so let's begin with development and understand how we can adjust that. Okay, so in my previous video I have created this example where you are fetching the data from the server, and here what we face actually, I set the data into the list. Okay, so the list is not getting properly because here we are getting some warnings. Here you can see like trailing and leading warnings is coming regularly for this design. So in this video I'm completely letting you know what is the standard you have to follow while you are working on the SwiftUI, and how you can solve these kind of problem if you are facing in your application. So at the very first we will check our row design, cell row design. And one more thing, if you did not watch my last video which is on how you can fetch data from the server in SwiftUI, then you can find the link into the description. So make sure you also watch that video. Okay, so after that let's continue from this video. Here I have designed this row, and in this row everything looks fine. Here I have took this text view which is title, looks like title and having font weight bold, and another text view I have with font body. So apart from that, what we designed actually, we designed the content view where we was inflating this list on the basis of backend data. So here I'm running this example. Okay, and here you can see the data came from the backend side, but here some trailing and leading issues came. So how we have to solve that, let's begin with. So at the very first we have this extra v stack view which should not be here. So I am going to remove this, Control X. So I completely remove this. And second thing what we have to do, this navigation title I'm going to take with list. Once I receive the list, this navigation title will looks there. Okay, so now if I run my application, then hopefully there will not be error related to constraint. So here you can see all the list has been loaded completely, and scrolling also working fine. This is simulator actually. Okay, and here you can see the navigation bar title also looks fine. So this is the standard basically what you have to follow. And if you will go to the developer site, developer doc site, then you can easily find that what is the standard you have to follow while developing the application SwiftUI. So make sure everything must be in a proper format for achieving your task. In next video I will continue some advanced level of SwiftUI, like how to upload images in SwiftUI, how to work with buttons in SwiftUI, and how you can perform some action on the click of buttons in SwiftUI. So we will continue with that in next coming video. So please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel contains lots of programming videos. Here you can see like how to fetch data from the server in SwiftUI, how to work with navigation link in SwiftUI, how to work with table or list view in SwiftUI, how to work with auto layout in the storyboard, how to start it with SwiftUI. So if you did not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and be updated with the latest technique and latest technology in iOS development. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.